Nochiw gweko matimre kor sirkande mag gwenge ma pachokae ater nyaka e gwenge gweko mag Nyanza. Jotend kanise mopogore mawuok e gwenge gweko mag Nyanza koro ooro kwayo ne jood bura ma pachokae mondo mi gikal bil nwero mar BBI. Kwayo makamano ne oor e yor oboke mabende nochiw koda jakom mar duol mar kanise Dr William Abuka kaachiel koda jakom mar duol mar NCCK migosi Peter Midodo kalure koda bura makare mabende nagibedo godo e kaunti nwero mar Homabay. Kamaendi e kaka nagitwak.
Seated in front of you here, ladies and gentlemen of the press, are top religious leaders, Christian leaders, bishops and archbishops who are representing different Christian organizations at both the national and regional levels to talk briefly about what is going on in our country concerning BBI and the handshake by extension. If you allow me, for the sake of time, let me allow and welcome our Secretary of the Day, Bishop Dr Peter Midodo, who is the chairman, regional chairman for NCCK, to read our statements and resolutions for today. Bishop Midodo.
Thank you very much, Bishop Dr William Abuka. I'm reading our press statement as the Nyanza clergyman regarding the ongoing debate about the BBI. This April 27th, the year 2021, our position on the BBI bill, statement by the Nyanza clergymen. Fellow men and women of God from different media houses, we are gathered here today as spiritual leaders representing different church and national church organizations from the greater Nyanza region to make known our stand and